It's time to dance, scream, and shout as Mommy Room Redo celebrates all of our accomplishments from the start. In this video, we'll take a look back at our successes and we'll share some of our plans for the future. We'll also thank our viewers, supporters, sponsors, and everyone that helped to make this happen. And with that, let's get started. Check out the Mommy Room Redo YouTube page and you'll see that on December 29th, we uploaded our 100th episode. Last week, we enjoyed 25,000 views. And this week, we knocked it out of the park with our latest video. We're not bragging, but can we say that we've come a long way since our first 3 videos?
Whoa! Dang, I was not expecting this. That's actually kind of cool. I really dig this. I like the lamps. I didn't think I was going to have lamps, but I really dig the lamps. Dang, this is a nice desk too. Is one of these new? No. I think that one's new. That's really cool. This is cool. That's unexpected. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, and you accented wall. I like the accent wall. I kind of dig it. This is a new fan. Yay. I'm sorry. Look at it. It's a beautiful fan. What I do like this. Do you like the fan? I like the bedspread. That's nice. And yeah, it's really fun. Oh, and of course, saxophone. It's really cool. It's really cool. All right. Thanks, Mom. Thanks a lot.
My daughter loved her room.
In a wall, Mommy. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. The picture. The LED. This is just what I wanted.
My middle son was honest and unimpressed.
What do you think?
Those Christmas lights look really dumb. The space guy is cool. Get this out of here. What is that picture of here?
Miles, one of those are you.
I don't care. The cup, just that's fine.
It looks like over there, Mom. Look how nice. Look this.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, look. A planet has this thing. I don't know what to
So you like it?
It's
Look,
fine.
Bias.
We then moved to redo other spaces, including the spice area, the pantry, and the linen closet. We did DIY decor projects as a family, but most of them I tackled solo. Believe it or not, our spring wreath DIY project was our most popular video. I honestly have no idea why. It was made of tulle and it was the first time I'd ever used a green screen. So from my perspective, it looks like I was dropped out of space or something, but folks seem to like it. If you get a chance, go to that spring wreath video and let me know what was the appeal so that we can make more of those. We also tried a few different things like the popcorn challenge and a few other non-traditional DIY videos. We're still experimenting with that, and if you have some ideas, let us know. We also did a couple of shop with me videos where you're able to walk with me through decor stores, and I'll let you know what they have and how I'm picking items and how they're priced. So this is another area that we're still experimenting with. You can let us know what you think about it. Our question of the day has been a great ad for us. Our biggest wins are with the roundup videos. That's where we feature African American women in their homes showing off their decor. And whether you're talking about the Valentine's Day roundup, linen closet, fall decor, Christmas trees, whatever topic that we've tackled has been a tremendous success when we've done it as a roundup. And while the ladies may participate in order to win a gift card, I really think they enjoy doing it as much as we enjoy having them. Another big win for us has been Miss Francine Holt. She started off hosting our Friday hacks, but her role has expanded tremendously and you'll see her a lot more. She's funny.
I already ate some cookies. That's what's going to happen. Santa probably won't ever see these cookies if your house is like mine. But
she's vulnerable.
You know, I know this year has been really tough, especially for my family. I've gone through a divorce after 36 years, and it was really, really hard. He is the love of my life. And, you know, my heart aches, but, you know, it's important in life that we make a decision to choose ourselves. And I chose me and to move forward in all of my being and to live out my purpose.
And her daughter Alexis are great additions to the MommyRoomREDO family. Today is my first epic fail. So what you do is you dampen the back side of the photo and
Oh, sorry. Let me turn it on.
no, just leave it. I mean, you dampen the back.
Okay, one more time. Sorry.
I mean, he has hiccups. It'll be fine.
Okay. All right, good people. So while Kyla takes care of her hiccups. Tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.